On November 11th, 2025, a 50-year-old traveler walks out of an Austin airport store with $1,100 in luggage. She tells officers it was a misunderstanding. The price tags, found ripped off in a bathroom, tell a different story. By the end of this analysis, you will know the felony threshold she crossed, the missing Miranda warning, and 3 tactical errors that shape the case.
Hi, what's going on? I'm going back to my store, but she just walked out of the store. He's going to let her pay for it, but she literally stole both of those bags from him while he was helping another customer. I was just coming into work, and he told me about it, so I said, I'll help you look, because he's going to lose his job. That's over $1,000 worth of bags.
Okay.
Now she said she's going to pay for it, because she thought she could just walk out and they would charge her fine. I'm sorry. I'm going to go back to my store. I need to come down to my credit.
I will go talk to him.
Thank you.
You're in that
green too.
I can show you on camera right now if you want. Yeah, so that roller is like 700 something bucks, and the backpack itself is like 450 something bucks.
What did you?
She was trying to say that she thought this was one of, like, you know how like Amazon has stores where you can like grab stuff and walk out and they charges it to your account. She's saying it was like that, but like the video that she just got, you can tell she walks up, grabs it, she steps over here like looking, and she's looking, and then she walks and hides right there for a second, and then she just walks out that way.
I wasn't trying to walk out. I mean, I was sitting on my timber.
Okay. I'll wait for him because I know he's getting the same video that you got.
Yeah.
So.
And he was busy, that's why I walked. I mean, there's places that you walk in and out, and I thought it was a scam as you walk out. I wasn't trying to leave without it. I said on my gate, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm willing to pay for it. And I apologized to him. He said he could lose his job, and I feel really bad. I really do. And I did not switch tags. I have my bag over there. I didn't do anything to misguide. I was just sitting on my gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
I just came from work, honestly, and I'm going on a trip on Friday, so I needed a bag. I saw it was busy, and I thought it was like a thing that you can, I mean, most stores in any other airport, I travel a lot, you can walk in and out, and they scan as you walk out.
Okay.
In Minnesota, they're doing it like all over, and it's my bad. I didn't even look. I need it for the weekend. That's when I'm like was trying to buy it.
Okay. Well, give me just a second. Let me talk to him, and then we'll figure out.
Yeah, I
if you want to go back home.
feel really bad. I really do feel bad.
Have we got her information yet?
Yeah, I got her ID. So, it's out of Minnesota.
Yes. So what I was saying is that in Minnesota, I'm so sorry.
I'm not interested in the story. Where are the tags at to the
So I went to the bathroom. I used the bathroom, and I needed this for the weekend.
Where are the tags?
Bathroom. And I went back.
Can you go get the tags?
Yes, and they're not there.
Okay.
It's all the bathroom factory.
Okay. All right.
I did look.
The possibility is that if she does purchase it, he's fine with it.
So there's that. Okay.
That is an option. But if you can't,
swear to God. Sorry.
but if you can't find the proper tags for that, then
Can they run the other ones that are like the same? I mean, there's like, I looked at the colors.
it'll be up to him. It'll be up to him if he can do. I don't know if they can do that or not.
Okay. Because there is other. I mean, I looked at the colors. I was trying. I looked at the colors and I said I like burgundy, and that's.
But I don't know what that does to their inventory. So if he brings up a black one, it might reduce their inventory by one.
Okay.
So you taking that one and the tag's not being with it anymore now, it's causing a problem with their inventory. So he's going to see what he can do to try to fix that. If not, then he's not going to.
So you went back to look at. When did you go back to look for the tags?
Just now, she let me go.
Oh.
Just now, and I left my bag here. And I said, I went to the bathroom from here to the bathroom and then to the gate. Actually, I went to the lounge and then to the gate. So they cleaned out the bathroom.
Okay.
Can I tell my gate that I'm late, or am I gonna miss my flight? You think?
Just get. I mean, normally, if it's a 2:10.
Well, that we
boarding.
have 2:50. Yeah, 2:50.
Right.
I have time. I think I have a couple.
I mean, it just depends on where's your gate at. Which gate would?
Right here, like 10.
She's out of state, so we can't give her a citation.
I mean, I swear, I promise.
Oh yeah.
So that's,
He said that's not even the airport price. He says they're normally that expensive, which
Yeah,
I've
they
never
are.
seen.
They are. I mean, I'm buying it because I'm going on a trip with my family, and it's my 50th birthday.
Where's your family at? Are they here?
In Minnesota.
Oh,
I
they're-
came for work.
Okay.
So I was buying it to go on a trip to Mexico and in Minnesota.
I can't find the tag, but I can't bring it up.
Okay.
Can you run another color?
No, the
What's up, my sister?
right. It's gonna mess up. His
I mean, I could have just not come back and took my bag and leave, but I'm not trying to do that. I just no. Like when you let me go to the bathroom, I could have just leave. I'm not trying to do anything stupid. I promise.
Okay.
I came for work.
On his end, he has to do something with his inventory
Yeah.
that he, without having the tags,
Yeah.
there's nothing he can do.
Yeah.
So, in that case,
I have these,
that option's off the
and
table.
then I also have
Like, can I
these
just
that
buy
are just
another
plug-in, but
color?
they're
I mean, it's
also-
the same exact
Airport
thing. So what is the?
you're under arrest.
Oh. So I cannot just pay for it. I swear
He
to God.
can't mess up his system. He doesn't have another line backpack back there, so there's no other choice. We can't even cite because you're not from here, and it's Class A misdemeanor, so you're gonna have to go to jail.
Can I just buy a black one
He
instead?
can't mess up his inventory. Like I said, I mean,
Can I call the company? I mean, can I? I mean, it's not the same code. It's in the same.
different numbers, different items, but they have different.
so do you have anybody on the
Can
line
we
with
look-
Delta right now?
Yeah, I have somebody online. Can we look in the bathroom or maybe with the lady that
I thought
cleaned the
you already-
bathrooms?
Well, I mean,
Can I go do that? Can we go do that?
there's going to be virtually impossible to track down which person cleaned out.
There is like right here. I promise. I swear.
But
to
you
God,
said you already looked.
I looked in the bathroom that I thought it was, but there was other bathrooms that were closed. We looked really quick.
I apologize. Like, you've already looked. You said that
There was one bathroom that hello? Yeah, so basically.
So she ripped the tags. The whole problem is because they were going to let her pay for it, but she ripped the tags off in the bathroom. They had to track her down in Delta. By the time they got her back here, they let her go look at the bathroom for the tags. He doesn't have another tag for the maroon one, so he can't scan a black one and sell it because it's going to mess up his inventory. So there's not much he can do. So, and you do want to press charges now, correct? Okay.
Okay.
So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is.
Issue 1. The Theft Statute. Under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, theft requires unlawful appropriation with intent to deprive the owner. Walking past the last point of sale without payment satisfies the conduct element. Intent is inferred from circumstances. The combined value here is $1,130. That places the offense between $750 and $2,500. In Texas, that is a Class A misdemeanor, up to 1 year in county jail and a $4,000 fine. But here is where the case becomes legally serious. The price tags were removed and discarded in a restroom. Under Texas law, removing identifying marks is evidence of consciousness of guilt. That single act transforms a possible mistake defense into a much harder argument about intent. Issue 2. Miranda. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, the warning is required only when custody combines with interrogation. Custody is established the moment the officer says you are under arrest. Interrogation is the missing element. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 446 U.S. 291, 1980, spontaneous statements made without prompting are fully admissible. The suspect volunteers nearly every incriminating phrase on her own. The officer is not asking, she is talking. Watch one exchange carefully. The officer asks why she removed the tags, then immediately tells her she does not have to answer. That single retraction is a textbook protective move. It diffuses any future suppression motion built around that question. Issue 3. The out-of-state factor. Texas typically permits cite and release for Class A misdemeanors involving residents. Non-residents lose that option because there is no local address to serve a summons. This is why the officer states on camera that she cannot be cited. Geography, not severity, drove the booking decision.
So, can I call them and then can I buy the black one? Can I go to the bathroom again one more time?
No.
I'm so sorry. I swear this is like a total
Yeah,
misunderstanding.
we tried on our end as much as we
I
could.
am so sorry.
We have to wrap this up.
Terrible.
We have we got some place to go.
I know.
Yeah,
So-
so
Okay.
you're gonna have to, if you want to go put your credit card out, first
Can I grab my bag over there?
I'll grab your bag.
So can you put me on the 650? Can I leave? Like after you check me in, can I leave
So
today?
you're going to jail, and then you
Am
have to talk
I?
to a magistrate, and you probably won't be out until tomorrow or the next day.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to Mexico on the 14th. Can we please work this out? Please.
Ma'am, there's
I'm
nothing
going
we
to
can
Mexico
do.
on the 14th, like,
Ma'am.
for my mom's birthday.
Look,
Okay, I understand.
you left without paying for it.
I
Whatever
swear to
I
God.
get it. Whatever the discrepancy is, but I need you to go ahead. I'm giving you. There we go.
I don't
So
even
go
know.
pick your
It doesn't
phone,
even
go
matter.
You want to take your satchel off? I'll put that
Can
on.
I just buy the black one? Can we look in the bathroom one more time,
No.
please?
Okay.
Please.
Go ahead and take your satchel off, and go ahead and take your fanny pack off. I've still got your ID.
Can we please look in the bathroom one
And
more
there's no
time?
dog
Maybe
in
the
there or
lady's
anything?
there, garbage is there.
Okay.
Can I dig into
We
the
already
garbage
passed
in
it.
there?
You've already said you
No, I
looked
want
for
to, but I didn't look into the other garbage. Can I please?
it. Okay.
Oh, take that
Go ahead
off.
and take the satchel off.
Please, please.
You're under arrest right
You
now.
can leave this.
James, buy your
No. Are you here with someone?
No, I'm by myself. I came
Okay.
for work.
Okay.
I just came to drop off a dog for a sick woman. That's what I do. That's literally what I do. Can you go to the bathroom with me, please?
We definitely can't walk inside a woman's bathroom.
What? Say that again.
We can't walk inside of a women's bathroom.
No, I will go in.
We
No.
can't do that.
I did not mean to do that. I swear to God. This is
We
horrible.
unfortunately, if we had the tags, we might be able to go a different route.
I wish I wouldn't take him out. I didn't want to walk around with
I
a
wish you didn't
tag.
take the suitcase from the beginning.
I know. I should have asked. He was busy.
No,
I
you should have
walked
bought
out.
it. Instead of asking, you should have just bought it.
I swear that there are so many stores in Minnesota. You walk out and they charge you.
I've been to those stores,
automatically.
but you also have to use your card to go inside the store.
Some of them, not all of them. No, I promise. I
Okay.
promise.
All right, we're gonna
Okay.
walk out to my car. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. My check. I got checkpoint 2 West. At
We got you
4.
covered.
So whoever. Thank you.
taken care of.
Just to check one more time.
I'm sorry. We're too far past
It's too
that.
far? Okay. I have them already paid for those bags, I promise.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I wish you would have paid for them to begin with,
I
but
thought I did.
and it's
I
just
promise.
unfortunate situation
I
that.
thought I did.
Yeah.
I
Airport
totally
36.
thought I did.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm always at the airports. I know exactly how this works. I swear to God. It doesn't matter. Yes, it's too far like this. I could have hide. I mean, I could have done so many things if I was really trying.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to understand that, right? Like I could just do something like
Well,
hide.
what you did was commit theft. So
I swear to God, I thought it was like a check in and
I
out.
hear what you're saying, but it would have been good to verify with somebody
I
that
should
that,
have.
was
I
the
should have.
case.
I should have.
And by not doing that, this is the
I know.
situation that you're
No,
in
I
now.
understand.
So-
I'm not. I understand. And when she let me go to the bathroom, I could have just not come back.
We're gonna have to go up and around. So I'm not gonna try to get her around.
Yeah.
So
You understand? She let me go.
we're gonna walk this way on the
I
sidewalk.
could have just not come back because you weren't even there. I came back because I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm not saying you're guilty of
I
anything.
would have come
What
back.
I'm saying is, sometimes if you would have believed that store was one of those stores you could just walk in and walk out,
Yeah.
why would you take the tags off? You don't have to answer that
Because
question.
it was-
No,
I didn't
you
wanna
don't.
walk
No, what
around
I'm saying
with a
is,
tag bag.
those are questions that the people inside the store ask me.
Yeah, I didn't want to walk.
I'm not asking you.
No, like, would you walk around with a bag with the tags on it? I don't.
I'm not asking you that.
Oh,
I'm just telling you
okay.
what they said.
Oh,
to
I
me.
understand. No, it's not even. I'm not questioning their. I'm not questioning their thought process. I can see why. they think I did it.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I can see. I'm not
Yeah.
even trying to blame them. I mean, they're doing the
This-
job.
your phone?
I feel terrible. I feel terrible that he could have lost his job.
Actually, he wanted to help you out. If he had the tags, he would have helped
I
you out.
swear to God,
Yeah.
I feel so bad that he would have lost his job
Yeah,
over this.
he would have.
I give people jobs. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is happening, but you know what?
I
There's
have an
a
idea
reason
why it's happening. I have an idea why it's happening.
Why?
Because you walked out the store without paying for the bag.
No, I understand that. I did not mean to do that.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know why God is doing this to me right now. But I'm just gonna take it. It is
Yeah,
what it
it's
is.
not the crime of the
I
century.
swear to God, I did not try to walk out with a bag.
Right.
I did not. Like I said, I have the money. I can show you my my bank account. It's not like I don't have the money. I do
Well,
have
it's just
it.
unfortunate you couldn't have paid for it when you had the chance.
I swear to God, I thought I did. I swear to God, I thought I did.
You want to have a seat in there?
One tactical failure deserves attention. Allowing a detained suspect into a restroom unsupervised after suspicion of evidence tampering had already formed is how the price tags disappeared. A female escort to the door would have preserved the strongest piece of physical evidence in the case. Now the grades. The officer earns a B+. Solid probable cause, patient interview, smart retraction of a borderline question. Points off for the unsupervised restroom break. The suspect earns a D-. She never invoked silence and admitted on camera she could have walked away but chose to come back. 2 lessons stand out. For travelers, no major United States airport operates Amazon-style automatic checkout stores. If a transaction point is unclear, ask before leaving. Confusion is not a defense once value crosses the felony threshold. For officers, once evidence tampering is suspected, every minute the suspect spends alone with that evidence is a minute the prosecution may regret. Do you agree with these grades? Share your reasoning in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police body cam footage, and remember, every interaction is governed by law.